Alex, could you trade seats with Blake so she and I could sit together? She asked Todd, but he said he had some sort of medical thing. Please?
Yeah.
You're so sweet. Thanks, Alex. Thank you, Alex.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Did you, really think we're gonna titty fuck him over Greenland?
You know, because of you, I gotta sit here and watch fucking Stuart Little. Thank you.
Thanks, man. That's great. I'm sorry I'm late.
Carter, I am not going to Paris to see Euro Disney. Hello?
Go that way. Flight attendants, prepare for departure.
Attention! Notre voyage commence!
All right.
Whatever.
It's fine. It's okay, honey. I'm not... Could you trade seats with Blake so she and I could sit together? She asked Todd, but he said he had some sort of medical thing. Please?
What's up, dude?
Is there a problem, sir?
What's your fucking problem?
Alex, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Because this fucking plane's gonna explode! Shut up, Brownie.
You're so not funny.
This is your idea of a joke.
It's not a joke! It's not a joke!
Alex, take it easy. It's not a joke.
Sit down, Brownie.
It's going down!
We will remove you from this aircraft and I'll remove you.
Fuck you, I'll remove myself!
Get up!
Everybody in the aisle, up!
Everybody just stay where you are. Just sit tight.
Fucking plane! Go check him out, see how he's doing.
Okay.
We got this. No one gets back on board. That's my call.
Wait, please! I've got 40 students going to Paris, please.
Look,
Please.
you must understand my position.
I understand your position, and I apologize for Alex, but one of us needs to be on that plane. I cannot let all those students go to Paris for 10 days.
Carter, no!
Take the fuck down!
Shit! One of you can go on the flight, and that's it.
Larry. Look, the airline's not taking this very well. They'll let one of us back on. The rest of us can take an 11:10 flight. It gets in 3 hours later. It's all
I'll
right.
stay.
No, you know the whole French thing. Get on the plane. It's fine. It's fine.
Hi, Mr. Renault. See, I was in the bathroom and the lock, it was stuck, and... Oh, wait, I didn't fight with anyone! Damn.
Thanks.
Just, I called your parents. They're on the way.
We should be going.
Alex, talk to me. Tell me what happened.
I saw it. Like, I don't know, I saw it. I saw it on the runway. I saw it take off. I saw out my window, I saw the ground and the cabin, it starts to shake, right? And the left side blows up and then the whole plane just explodes. And it was so real, just like how everything happens, you know?
You've been on a lot of planes that blew up?
You must have fallen asleep.
Whoa. We get thrown off the plane. We blow, what, half a day in Paris? All because Brownie has a bad fucking dream? But wait, but the plane, it's gonna blow up. It's gonna blow up. Hey, fuck you, Horton. Okay,
Todd.
fuck you.
Dude, Chip, you're taking to the fucking hospital!
Get off him! Trip! Hey, Alex, stop it!
There they go. Here we stay.
You're paying for my trip, Brownie.
You're on that plane! You fucking brat! Oh shit!